Now time for a full look at your forecast. So we're going to start with our first alert weather cam. This time we're in Upshur County. This is outside of Buchanan, Toyota. Clear skies, not a single cloud to be seen. But it is also on the hot side. Buchanan, you guys are sitting at around 91, mainly upper 80s besides that. Places like West Union creeping up on that 90-degree number, as well as Harrisville and Clarksburg each at 87. Let's take a look at the satellite and radar, because there is not only heat, but also nothing in terms of precipitation or cloud cover to speak of. But there's also a bit of a northerly wind, though, and that is courtesy of a weak high that is now sitting over the northern panhandle, right over Wheeling. And there's also this backdoor cold front that is moving through the Adirondacks and the Catskills in New York and passing also through Toronto and Mississauga, Ontario. And once that starts to sweep down, it could give us maybe a few showers in that eastern panhandle, places like Martinsburg, but not really much for our immediate area for the 4th of July. Looking at your high temperature today, 90 degrees is what we're calling. Buchanan's already surpassed that, but I think we're going to hit that number exactly. But it's not going to feel sticky or humid. It's going to be more like that Arizona heat, and that's largely because of that high that is situated to our north. The UV index is going to be quite strong, though. It is at 10, so make sure you limit your outdoor time regardless, as well as wear a hat and throw on that sunscreen. If you don't follow these guidelines, you're going to have sunburn in around 30 minutes. And trust me, I've had that before. It is absolutely not pretty. And we're going to be mostly dry, but also on the hot side by this afternoon. And we are going to drop to around 81 by around 9 o'clock. But then Saturday could see 1 or 2 clouds. But other than that, we do expect to be mostly dry. I think this model is a bit overzealous in terms of rain chances, but it's not overzealous in terms of the heat. And the fireworks are going to be looking pretty nice as well. Temperatures are going to be in those lower 80s to those upper 70s by the time we get to the end of the forecast. And it's going to be a hot next 7 days. And with that, we're going to pass things over to Howard in the